Welcome to Techradiance, an end-to-end service provider, company for STEM, robotics, AI and AR/VR programs, STEM or science, technology, engineering and mathematics forms the foundation for innovation. Robotics brings machines to life, reducing human efforts, teaching us how to design, build and code. Virtual reality and augmented reality open doors to limitless possibilities. Artificial intelligence empowers machines to learn, think and make decisions for us. STEM, robotics, AI and AR/VR, where imagination meets reality. At the heart of Techradiance's mission lies a dedication to enrich young minds through experiential and activity-based learning. These DIY kits